Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Riyazul. So if you are planning for UGC NET 2026, then don't skip this video. In the next few minutes, I will cover everything: dates, eligibility, exam patterns, fees, and the preparation strategy. So let's get started. So what is UGC NET? It is a national level eligibility test conducted in India by NTA, that is National Testing Agency. The purpose of UGC NET to test the eligibility for assistant professor, admission to PhD, and award of JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship. This exam is a gateway to teaching and research careers in India. So about the NTA and UGC. So the NTA, National Testing Agency, is an independent, autonomous, and self-sustained premier testing organization under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. It conducts fair, transparent, and standardized examination across the country. UGC NET is one of the major examinations conducted by NTA. The UGC, that is University Grant Commission, is a statutory body established by the Act of Parliament. It promotes, coordinates, and maintains the standards of higher education in India. It frames regulations and guidelines for universities and colleges. So, together, NTA conducts the exam and the UGC exam ensures the quality and purpose behind it. Now, let's look at the important dates of UGC NET 2026. The online application process starts from 29th of April 2026, that is already started, and the last date to apply is 20th May 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. Last date for successful transactions of examination fees is 20th May 2026. The correction in the particulars of examination form will start on 22nd May 2026 and will available till 24th May 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. The intimation of cities examination centers will available by 10th of June 2026. The downloading of admit card by the candidate from the NT website will available from 15th of June 2026, and the examination will be conducted between 22nd June 2026 to 30th June 2026. All the candidates must strictly follow these deadlines to avoid disqualification. For latest updates, keep visiting the official website, that is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. Now, let's understand the application fees for UGC NET 2026. For the general unreserved category, the application fees is 1,150, whereas for OBC, NCL, that is non-creamier, EWS 600, and for SC, ST and PWD it's 325. Make sure the PWD candidate with the benchmark disability of 40% or more have to pay the fees applicable to SC or ST category. Important notes: the fees once paid will not be refunded under any circumstances. Candidates are advised to check their categories carefully before payment. PWD candidates must ensure that they select the correct PWD category. Keep a copy of payment receipt for future reference. Now, the eligibility criteria for appearing in UGC NET June 2026. Before applying, make sure you fulfill the eligibility conditions. Very first, we'll talk about education qualification. The candidate must have master's degree or equivalent from a recognized university with the required percentage, that is 55% marks for general or unreserved category, 50% for OBC, EWS, SC, ST, PWD or transgender candidate. Candidates appearing in the final year of master's degree can apply provisionally. If we talk about the subject selection, candidate must choose the subject on their master's degree specialization. The age criteria for JRF, the maximum age is 30 years as on 1st June 2026. The relaxation in the upper age limit for OBC and EWS candidate, it's 5 year. For SC, ST, PWD or transgender, again 5 year. For women candidates also 5 year. For LLM degree holder, it's 3 years. And if you have the research experience in your post graduation, then the time taken for the research will consider as the relaxation in the upper age limit. There is no upper age limit for the assistant professor. Once again, candidates who are appearing in the final year examination can apply provisionally. Note, the meeting eligibility criteria does not guarantee qualification. Qualification is based on the performance in the examination. Exam pattern. The UGC consists of 2 papers which are conducted in the computer based test, that is CBT mode. Total duration will be 3 years without any break. The question will be MCQ and 2 marks for each correct answer, and most important, there is no negative marks. So if you talk about the paper 1, so it consists teaching and research aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematic reasoning, aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, ICT, people development and environment. Whereas for subject 2, it is based on the subject chosen by the candidate, which will be depend on the subject of or specialization of the post graduation. The paper 1 consists of 50 questions, all are compulsory, 2 marks each, so it carries 100 marks. For paper 2, it carries 100 questions, all are compulsories, 2 marks each, it carries 200 marks. So total 300 marks are there, and the total duration is 3 hours without any break. Both paper 1 and paper 2 have to attempt within these 3 hours only. Both papers are compulsory. Candidate must appear for both paper 1 and 2. Final selection is based on the performance in the examination. So if you talk about the marking scheme, it is already discussed in the previous slide. Paper 1, which consists 50 questions, which means 100 marks. Each question carries 2 marks. For paper 2, the 100 questions will be there, each carries 2 marks. Total marks will be 200. If you are giving a correct answer, you will score 2 marks. If your answer is incorrect, then no marks will be deducted or for incorrect marks. If you are not attempting any question, no marks will be awarded for unattempted questions, and very most important, no negative marking is there. Now, if you talk about the application process, so very first you have to visit the official website, that is UGC-NET.NTA.nic.in. So first you have to go for the new registration, visit the official website and check for new registration. The login page will be appear. Fill the application form, upload all the documents, pay application fees, preview and submit, download the confirmation page, and keep checking emails and website. Regularly check your email and the official website for updates and notification. The important points to be remembered: apply well in advance and do not wait for the last date. Ensure all the details are correct before final submission. Incomplete or incorrect applications are liable to be rejected. Keep a copy of confirmation page and the payment receipt. So, what are the documents we require for applying for UGC-NET June 2026? Keep the following details documents ready before applying for UGC-NET. Very first, a recent passport size photograph in JPEG or JPG format as per prescribed size. A signature, scanned signature in JPG or JPEG. Valid email ID and mobile number must be active. All communication will be sent here only. Identity proof, that is Aadhaar card or PAN card, voter ID, passport. Details required while filling the form. Education details, master's degree details, marks, percentage, university details. No need to upload full degree certificates at application stage unless specified. ना तो आपको कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर फॉर एजुकेशन. कैटेगरी और PWD सर्टिफिकेट्स इफ एप्लीकेबल, SC, ST, OBC, EWS certificates as applicable, PWD certificate if applicable. the payment method, debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI for payment of application fees. It is recommended to go for the UPI as it doesn't charge any extra amount. And for in the case of debit card, credit card or net banking, it carries a nominal charges. Ensure all the information is correct before final submission. No corrections allowed after the final submission except during the correction window. And again, a nominal charge will be there for correction. Now let's common mistakes which happen while filling the forms. Avoid this mistake while applying for the UGC NET. Very first, wrong information. Entering wrong personal, educational or category details may lead to rejection. Missing the deadline. Do not wait for the last date. Late submission will not be accepted. Invalid photograph or signature. Uploading photo or signature in wrong format, size or blurred image. Wrong email ID or mobile number. Providing wrong email ID or mobile number may cause communication issues. Documents detail mistake. Ensure valid ID proof should be there. Entering wrong ID proof details or category certificate details may be. Payment not completed. Application is not submitted until the payment is successful. Incomplete payment leads to cancellation. Not previewing form. It is recommended to preview or form. Not checking the preview may result to mistake in important details. Uploading error. Uploading wrong documents or file in the wrong format or size. Not downloading the confirmation page. Failing to download the confirmation page may create problem in the future. And ignoring the official updates. Not checking official websites, email ID, SMS regularly cause miss important updates. Quick tips for applying for UGC NET. Read the information bulletin carefully. It is available in the official websites of UGC NET 2026, June 2026. Keep details and documents before applying. Fill in the form carefully and verify all the details. Submit and download the confirmation page for future reference. Keep checking for official websites for the notification. Now, preparation tips for UGC NET June 2026. As we all know, smart planning plus consistent efforts leads to success. The same applicable here. Smart planning with consistent effort, you will get success in UGC NET. Very first, I will suggest to understand the syllabus, go through the complete syllabus carefully, focus on high weightage topics, make study plan, create realistic timetable, allocate time for each subject and topic, use standard study materials, refer authentic and updated resources, be consistent and disciplined, study daily with discipline. Consistency is the key to success. Practice pre-Qs and mock tests. Solve previous year papers. Take mock tests regularly to analyze your performance. Both are available in the website of NTA. Analyze and improve. Analyze your weak areas. Work on improving accuracy and speed. Make short notes and revisions. Make short notes for important topics. Revise regularly. Join a good test series. Choose a quality test series, helps in the exam level preparation. Stay healthy and positive. Eat healthy, exercise and regularly. Keep a positive mindset and stay motivated. Avoid distractions. Stay away from the social media and time wasters. Focus on your goal. Revision before exam is must. Revise important formulas, concepts and notes. Don't study new topics in the last days. Believe in yourself and never give up. Self-belief and the hard work always pay off. You can do it. Remember, stay early, plan wisely, stay consistent, practice regularly, stay positive. Success is yours. Now, let's conclude. UGC is not just an examination, it's a step towards your dream career in teaching and research. Key takeaway: know the exam well, understand the eligibility, patterns, syllabus, and marking scheme thoroughly. Plan smartly, create a realistic study plan and follow it with the consistency. Study effectively. Use standards books and NTA-approved resources. Practice daily, solve pre-Qs and take mock tests regularly. Analyze and improve. Analyze your performance and work on weak areas. Stay positive and motivated. Believe in yourself. Keep moving forward. Success will follow. Hard work plus smart work plus consistency is equal to success. Keep learning, keep growing. Remember, today's preparation is tomorrow's achievement. Stay focused, stay consistent. You will succeed. All the best for UGC NET June 2026. You can do it. Thank you. Your dream, your efforts, your success. Keep learning, keep growing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so never miss any important update. You can also join my WhatsApp channel, that is Dr. Mir Riyazul Haque, for regular updates and for any guidance. You can contact me on my WhatsApp. Keep learning, stay focused, and all the best for UGC NET 2026.